everybody's stuck, huh?
Yeah.
Yep.
This happens every time.
Whoa! Talk about a sticky situation!
Well, it's true what they say. There are no winners in a gun war.
Friends, I believe we've learned a very important lesson today.
Yeah! You should never bring a knife to a gunfight!
What are you even talking about?
कोई भगवान का दूत नहीं, ये हमें धोखा देकर जंगल का राजा बन गया। मारो इसे, ये जिंदा नहीं बचना है तो यहाँ से भागने में ही भलाई है। सारे जानवर गुस्से से सियार के पीछे।
We're stuck again, aren't we?
This happens every time.
Hey, look! She's coming this way.
Belinda, hey!
Hey guys, y'all okay?
Oh, sure, we're great.